The smooth tool can be used to smooth rough edges or shapes that you draw. The smooth tool is located in the group of shaper tool. So if you click and hold on the shaper tool, you can get access to the smooth tool. Here I have drawn a basic shape of a hut. You will notice that this shape is rough and contain many anchor points, which is not good because it will require more processing to be done. So less the number of anchor point, better the processing time. And when you smooth a path, unnecessary anchor points are removed by Illustrator. So to smooth this shape, I am going to use the smooth tool. First, select the shape using the selection tool. Access it by pressing V on the keyboard and then select the smooth tool. Now just draw over the shape that you want to smooth out. You will find that the shape is getting smooth. The smooth tool removes unnecessary anchor points. Like this, you can smooth out any rough shape. Here, repeated short drags work best, but you can also draw long strokes if you like. So there are two ways to select the smooth tool. Either you can select it from the toolbar or press Alt or Option key on the Mac while having the paintbrush tool selected, which will bring the smooth tool automatically. So this is all about the smooth tool. Next we are going to learn about the path eraser tool.